day, everyone. My name is Dustin Suarez. My topic is Soxargine, Region 12, Chapter 15. The Soxargine is the region in Mindanao made up of South Cotabato, North Cotabato, Sultan Kudarat, Sarangani, General Santos City. The name Soxargine comes from the first letters of these provinces and its major city. Paspax, South Cotabato, Capital, Coronadal City. Ang land area is 442,246 hectares. Industries, mga agriculture, livestock, trade, at mga bisan unsar kan ang ilang industries. Tapos ang city towns is isa og 9 na po ka municipalities. North Cotabato or Cotabato. Ang capital sa North Cotabato, Kidapawan City. Ang land area niya is 900,890 hectares. Ang industries, rubber, agriculture o textile. Isa ka city o 17 ka municipalities. Sultan Kudarat. Ang capital niya is Isulan. Land area 500,029. Ang land area 529,834 hectares. Industries, naga po ng agriculture, poultry ug furniture. Isa ka city ug naay 11 ka municipalities. Sarangani. Ang capital sa Sarangani, Alabel. Land area is 360,125 hectares. Industries, agriculture, fishing, livestock. Wayamoy City, naay 7 ka municipalities. General Santos City. Land area 53,606 hectares. Industries, fishing o commerce. Known as Tuna Capital of the Philippines. Number 2. Food and Delicacies. South Cotabato. Balbakwa, kinilaw, laswa, tilapia dishes, native chicken, batsoy, agsis o clam, sinigang na pakwan. Moto ang sa mga dishes or food sa South Cotabato. Sa North Cotabato is dragon fruit, pastel, inataw, barbecue, o deep fried dalag. Moto ang sa North Cotabato. Ang sa Sultan Kudarat, fried catfish, marang, durian, kansi, first lumpia, native chicken nga bulalo, bibingkang kanin, kuko pia. Moto ang sa Sultan Kudarat. Sarangani, tinagtag, tuna poke, rice coffee, bangsi, crispy, chicharon. Moto ang sa Sarangani. Last, sa General Santos City, grilled tuna, tuna tacos, lechon, tuna steak, bagaybay and bihod, salmon and samsimi, sardines. Moto to ang mga food and delicacies sa mga lugar sa Soxargine. Number 3. Recommended pasalubong. Mga pasalubong kabaliog need gyud nimo. Popular products to bring home from the region. Organic fruits, passion fruit, durian, pineapple, mangosteen. Mo na sila. Kablon Farm products, pastel, tinagtag, seafoods products, tinaklak fabric, beadworks, malong, water hyacinth, handicrafts, keychains, bag ug accessories. Mo ni ang mga recommended nila nga mga pasalubong sa Soksargen provinces. Number 4, festival and special events, South Cotabato. Ang ilang special event sa South Cotabato is Hilibong Festival, known as November 9 to 11, celebrates the foundation anniversary of the municipality of Lake Cebu by showcasing their unique cultural identity and ethnicity. Moto ang sa Hilobong Festival, moto ang November 9 to 11 ang lang celebrate silang anniversary. Tapos kadua, Linggong Matutom, made as March 13, 20, celebrate of Mount Matutom celebration as a protected landscape. Mo ni ang sa Lingog Matutom. Kasadyahan Festival, September 1 to 11, a street dancing competition that serves as a venue for the coverage of various ethnic and cultural dances. Tinaklak Festival in July 16 to showcase the public of South Cotabato the art of weaving tinaklak. Moto ang sa Tinaklak Festival. Kulitangtang Festival, made in January 27, showcase the clay post and Simarex made by local artisans and craftsmen of Tangtangan, South Cotabato. Moto ang mga festival sa South Cotabato. Ang sa North Cotabato, Araw ng Cotabato in June 12, 2025. Commemoration of City Charter Anniversary. 2. Halad sa Santo Niño Festival. 3. Timpopo Festival. 4. Tahiti Festival. And last, Kawayan Festival. Moto ang sa North Cotabato Festival. Sultan Kudarat, Kalimundan Festival in November 21 to 22. And Talakudong Festival in September 18. Moto ang sa Sultan Kudarat mga festival. Sarangani, Muna o Festival in November 18. Ang sa ilang kuan festival. Tapos Sarangani Bay Festival, third week of May. Ang Sarangani Bay Festival. And last, Bangsi Festival in January 27 to 29. Magkuan sila kaning Flying Fish Festival sa mga isda tong Bangsi. Sa General Santos naman ng mga festival, Kalingan Festival in February 22 to 27. Kadua, Jinsan Eco Carrera in September. And last, Tuna Festival of September 1 to 5. Mao ni katong ilang mga festival sa General Santos City. Number 5. Languages and dialects. Commonly used languages in the region, mao ni ang Tibuli, Bilan, Cotabato, Manubo, Tagbanwa, Hiligaynon, Maguindanao, Tagalog, English. Mao ko ni ang use nga mga languages and dialects sa ilang region sa Soksargen. Travel and trivia. In 2017, the region promoted itself using the nickname Soks with the tagline Soks X Next. This campaign aimed to attract local and international tourists. Tinaklak weaving in South Cotabato, the Tibuli tribe is famous for their tinaklak fabric, a traditional weaving made from abaca. Design come from the weaver's dreams and they are called dream weavers. Tinalaklak is considered one of the most unique and culturally important fabrics in the Philippines. Moto ang topic sa Suksargin Region 12. That's all. Thank you.